Hi Kaz, the next video we're going to tackle here, the next editing capability is updating the products. So again, we're starting here from the dashboard where you normally end up. This is your big menu down the side. We just come right here to products. Go ahead and click on that. And you will get a listing of all of the products that are on the website. I know your products don't change that often, probably not going to be adding that many more. But if you do, sometimes if once you get over a certain amount, it'll push them to multiple pages. So you can come right up here to screen options and say how many you want to show on a page. So let's just do this for example. If we made it a small number, you can see then that only 20 show up here, and it can be confusing because, oh, the rest of them are on page 2. So again, if you're not seeing the product, just look, and you can either click to page 2, or you can come up here to screen options and you can just make this a larger number so that you can see them all at once. Just like when I was showing you with the links, there is a search function here, so if you do need to find something specific, you can type it in here if you're not seeing it, and it'll search it for you. In any case, let's go into one of these products. Let's just click on the ESY, ESZ. And we've got a couple of fields here. So this is basically the title, and of course that's what's going to show up here as well as on the inside once you click into the product. This is the product title right up here. Over here on the side is how you categorize this product. So that's how it's going to show up in terms of the filter. So if you click travel clamps, that's what's determining that it shows up here, is that you've checked this box right here. A little further down, we've got the featured image and we've got the product gallery here. So you can swap this out and put something else in here. You can add additional images down here if you would like to. You did supply these as Word documents. Word documents won't work. You'll have to put actual image files. So JPEGs or PNGs in order for that to work for these right here. Scrolling down a little further, this is the area, and again you can open these up to give yourselves more room to work. This is obviously the text that appears right here on the side of the product. Yep, simple enough. Legacy part numbers, variant part numbers, and brochures. So we don't have a brochure attached to this one, but you can see here's the variant, here's the legacy. So to add more, all you'd need to do is add a row and enter a new item there. And then you would just hit, again, like before, you'd hit update. Come over here, we hit refresh. And now we have a non-existent XYZ. So we'll go ahead and obviously take that out. You just come right over here. You see these little plus minus. We can just remove the row. Are you sure? Yes, remove. There it is. We'll hit update again. We'll hit refresh over here. And the XYZ is gone. So I know it said maybe we're going to be adding some more of these legacy and variant part numbers. That's how you do it. You just keep adding rows, entering those part numbers, and then hitting update when you're done with that. Let's see. I think for the brochure and the data table, I'll find one of those that has it on it first. You don't need to worry about any of this. This is for actual e-commerce, which we're not doing, so you can completely ignore this product data table down here. But give me 1 second. I'm going to pause the video and I'll find a product that has brochures and columns on it, and we'll continue. Okay, so found a product here, the straight piston clamps. Has both a table on it and it has brochures on it. So this is where you update those. It works very similarly, excuse me, to the variant and legacy part numbers. If we wanted to add another brochure here, or even just edit one of these, you can update the text or update the file here. But add a new row, give it a name, And this right here is what's going to determine what shows up on the button. And then here is where we would add the file. We can click that. If it's already in the media library, you would just find that one and click it. If not, you can come to upload and upload that file. I'm just going to, for the sake of getting this done, pick this incorrect HSK. And then we would hit update here. Come over here. We'll hit refresh. Now we've got a new file name here, and you can see if we were to click it, we'd get the HSK. So there is how we update those. Let's go ahead and just delete it. More than once I've accidentally left a test thing on somebody's website when I'm making these videos, so we'll just make sure to remove that right now. Refresh. Refresh. Why is that not going away? Right here. Remove row. Update. Fresh. There we go. That is gone. And now we can come right over here, and the table is for this right here. So as you can see, the default headers for the table are model and maximum working pressure. If you need it to be something else, that's where you would change it right here. So column 1, column 2, if you needed these headers to say something else, you would type that in right here. And then obviously this is just the information that goes there, the SK 13.8, SK 13.8, and so on. Same as the other functionalities here, you would just add a row if you wanted a new row in this. There's our new row that's been added on. Really pretty simple. Update that to get rid of it. And yeah, I think that's all there is to it. Title here, picture here, additional pictures down here, product description right here, legacy, variant, brochures, and data table. And that is going to cover it for products. I think the next video I will make here is how to review the forms on the website in case the email connection breaks down at some point or somebody else needs to check the forms.